Welcome to our channel. If you want to renew your passport online, follow this full tutorial to complete the renewal process from home. Step 1. Make sure you're eligible for online renewal by verifying that your current passport is undamaged, you're at least 25 years old, and your current passport was issued within the last 15 years. Step 2. Visit the official State Department website at travel.state.gov and navigate to the Renew My Passport Online section. Step 3. Create an account on the MyTravelGov platform if you don't already have one by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Step 4. Fill out the online DS-82 passport renewal application form completely and accurately with your personal information, current address, and travel plans. Step 5. Upload a recent passport photo that meets all official requirements, including proper lighting, white background, and correct dimensions. You can use the photo tool on the website to check if your photo meets the standards. Step 6. Pay the passport renewal fee using a credit card, debit card, or electronic bank transfer through the secure payment portal. Step 7. Review all your information carefully before submitting to avoid delays, then submit your application electronically. Step 8. Mail your current passport to the address provided by the State Department using a trackable delivery method, and track your application status online using your MyTravelGov account, with processing typically taking 6 to 8 weeks for routine service or 2 to 3 weeks for expedited service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.